Hello there, my gems. How are you, loves? Alright, so I'm gonna start off by telling you the color red never goes away. Rinse, dye, no matter what, never goes away. And this is when I learned this. We just wanted to experiment. Experiments don't go as planned. So it's a good thing I started off with bleaching the back, because as I'm bleaching, I started realizing that the ends were not bleaching blonde. And the reason they weren't bleaching was because a while ago my friend decided to try to rinse her hair. And we thought, hey, rinse, it'll rinse out. No, not even. So then I decided to just, in the front, to just do the tips. Now we have this bright ass red and a little bit of blonde. So we're gonna do a protein treatment. I use this for prayer cream and I threw some keratin in it. Make sure you take your time, because we just killed her. Now silicone is always the get back, to snap back that hair crack. This was probably like a 2-hour process, but we had to cut it short. I'm not a hairstylist, so I don't know how to cut hair. I'm just flowing. I don't know. I'm just doing the do, trying to cut off some bad ends. If I'm doing it wrong, someone let me know. After I did that, I went and flat ironed it, but I'm just flat ironing it before I do it a second time. So this is just to get it shaped. You see that luster though? You see that shine though? This is our strawberry blonde look, and I'm going over again with my cut because I thought I knew what I was doing. Look at that, like shine and luster after we just bleached the crap out of her hair. Bleached it. So just watch and see how everything goes, how everything turns out, and I think it went great. For my first trial and error, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't have a license. I'm just a girl who loves experimenting and creating. So keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think, if you have any ideas of what you want to see, and we will work on that. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, my gems.
My hair has so much volume. So much volume. Trust me. Pantene. What else?
Whatever you want to be. Maybelline, girl.
Maybe it's Maybelline. A little bit. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous.